After 25 years of hard work, we're pretty damn excited about the 26 center behind us.
Yeah, I think we have a long list of things we're excited about this year, and certainly the 260cc behind us is at the forefront of that. So it's a 26-foot center console that fits an opening we've had where we've gone from a 23-foot center console all the way to a 28-foot center console, and we've had quite a gap. So this fills that gap and then some. There's a laundry list of innovative features that come with it. Aesthetically, it looks badass.
Well, first of all, it had to start out being aesthetically looking as good or better than all the other competitive boats. Unlike past years where we started out with a cat haul, we started out with the idea that this boat's going to look as good or better than any other boat in the market. We have all these great features, but on top of that, you have a great ride. You can do a shallow draft, you can fish inshore, you can fish offshore, you can go to the Bahamas. You can't do that on a lot of these competitive monohulls that we're competing with. I think that's what's exciting now is even boaters that own the 23 center that are moving up, it gives them a chance to get a great platform that looks cool. It rides great, tons of features in it. So what's exciting for me is 25 years later, you got something that's mainstream that appeals to the whole market, not just the niche of catamarans.
All right, I'd like to bring on Van Knight. Van is our COO and head of product development. So I know as a salesperson, it's been a really long time since we've had a center console that fills out that portfolio and that gap from 23 to now 28 feet. So all we did was come up with about, I don't know, 20, 30 different things that have to happen
about right.
To have a boat that, hey, it needs to go inshore, it needs to get offshore, it's got to work from Maine all the way down to the Florida Keys and everywhere in between. It looks like you guys knocked it out of the park.
Thanks, Chad. Really presented a lot of opportunities for us to take on with this boat. Unfortunately, most of them conflicted with each other. We want a boat that goes inshore but does very well offshore. We want fishability, we want innovation, we want, but it needs to fit in this package. The team is really focused on taking all the inputs from the sales team, from the voice of the customer, and figuring out how to ball it all together into just a phenomenal looking product that's just a joy to be on. Really came up with a great product that's going to suit a lot of different people and a lot of different uses.
How do we take all of these ideas, all of these wants, all of these needs that we must have for this 26 center console and make it all happen? Can you help explain a little bit of that process?
Absolutely. Well, it takes a lot of coordination and teamwork. But first it starts with those ideas. We need a boat that does A, B, C, D, and E. Then we come up with a concept, a theoretical design on what that boat that has all those features in it would look like. And we just keep going back to it and massaging it and giving more space to a certain area to do different activities or less depending on what the trade-off is, until we get to a design concept that really satisfies all the wants for the boat.
How long did that take us?
About 14 months.
I got to tell you, sometimes it felt like 14 years and sometimes it felt like 14 hours, but 14 months, when I think back of everything that had to happen and had to go really well, certainly in a time where things were a little bit harder than normal to put together, I feel pretty good about 14 months. How about you?
It's a lot of work, short period of time, but it's a great result.